Hi, my name is Garrett Stewart, and I currently attend University of West Georgia, and today we're going to discuss about communication models. Now, first we need to understand what the definition of communication is. It is the process of generating the sending and receiving of nonverbal and verbal signs in many different ways. There are three different types of communication models. You have the transmission, you have the interactive, and the transactional. Next, I'm going to go into my own little communication model that I made for myself to have a better understanding of what communication really is. First, you have the sender. The sender is the one that starts the convo or the communication. Next, you have the message. The message is what the sender is trying to send to the receiver. After the message, then you have the channel. Now, the channel, this is how the sender and the message gets to the receiver. There are different examples of channels. For instance, like if I were to talk to you, my mouth would be the channel. If I were to text you, the phone would be the channel. If I were to type in a chat, the computer would be the channel. Now, between the sender, message, and channel, they create the encoding process. And the encoding process is what the sender is trying to send to the receiver. Now, after the channel, then it goes to the decoding process. And decoding process is how the receiver is trying to understand the message from the sender. After the receiver understands what the sender is trying to say, then it'll send back another message to the sender originally, and which is called a feedback. Now, there are different types of things that can affect the feedback. The two main ones is noise and psychological context. That's the reason why I got noise on all four corners of the page, is because you can't really escape noise. Like, noise is everywhere, and it's like everyday life. And psychological context, that can be confused with negative body language of like what a sender is really trying to say. So, in conclusion, my own model made it easier for me to understand, and I decided to share it with y'all. And that's it. Thank you for all your time, and have a nice day.